Welcome to homeworklib.
In the figure, 𝐴𝐵𝐶𝐷 and 𝐶𝐵𝐻𝑂 are parallelograms. Find the measure of angle ABH. In this question, we are told that the two quadrilaterals formed here are parallelograms, which we can recall are defined as quadrilaterals with both pairs of opposite sides parallel. That would mean that the line segments AD and BC are parallel, and line segments BC and OH are parallel, so we have three parallel line segments here. The other pair of opposite sides in ABCD, that's line segments DC and AB, are parallel. And then in parallelogram 𝐶𝐵𝐻𝑂, line segments CO and BH are parallel. Now, we are asked to find the measure of angle ABH, and so recalling some of the angle properties of parallelograms will be helpful here. Firstly, we have that in a parallelogram, opposite angles are equal in measure, and the sum of any two consecutive interior angles is 180 degrees. So let's consider that we are given the measure of angle DAB. Angle ABC would be a consecutive interior angle to angle DAB, so the sum of their measures is 180 degrees. Filling in the information that the measure of angle DAB is 72 degrees, we have that 72 degrees plus the measure of angle ABC is 180 degrees. And by subtracting 72 degrees from both sides, we have that the measure of angle ABC is 108 degrees. Next, knowing the measure of angle CBH would be useful in helping us work out the required angle measure. We can identify that in parallelogram 𝐶𝐵𝐻𝑂, one of the consecutive interior angles to angle CBH is angle BCO, whose measure we are given. Therefore, using the same property as before, we know that these two angle measures must sum to 180 degrees. Filling in the measure of angle BCO as 51 degrees, we can determine that the measure of angle CBH is 129 degrees. Now we can consider the three angle measures about the point B. We can recall that the sum of the angle measures about a point is 360 degrees. So the sum of the angle measures of 108 degrees, 129 degrees, and the measure of angle ABH is 360 degrees. We can simplify the left-hand side to give 237 degrees plus the measure of angle ABH equals 360 degrees. And subtracting 237 degrees from both sides, we have the answer that the measure of angle ABH is 123 degrees.